Welcome to EV-olution Quickies. If you want to see a Guinness World Record attempt at the longest lineup of pure electric cars in the world, stick around. I'll show you in 2 seconds. I've been at this event now for about 45 minutes and the lineup of electric cars is just non-stop. Now, not only are they going back all the way back there, and I can't even see that far back, there is a ton of volunteers that are parked right there for the Quebec Electric Vehicle Association, and then the cars just keep coming. Now, the great thing about this event is that it is for 100% pure electric vehicles. That means that these are all BEVs, and according to the organizers, we should reach the Guinness Book of World Records for the number of pure electric vehicles in one drive. That would be amazing, and hopefully next year somebody else will beat us. Well, we're preparing to go. There are a ton of cars here. I didn't get an official number from the organization that's setting all this up, but at the end I will, and I'll make sure that I put it in the description of this video. So let's have a look at what we can see so far. So this is it. It's about to start. The Guinness Book of World Records attempt for the longest drive of pure battery electric vehicles. I hope we do it. Let's see what happens. Well, I've been driving for about 15-20 minutes now, and the lineup of cars is just non-stop. It's very cool because there is every single kind of car or electric car that you want to find in the province of Quebec here. It's pretty amazing. There's actually, I saw Mitsubishi i-niro that's still on the road, which is quite impressive. There are new and old Bolts, there are Bolt EUVs, Konas, Niros, Teslas of all kinds, Model 3s, Model X, Model Y, Model S, new and old. You've got Kia Niros, obviously, as well as Nissan Leaf, and the list just goes on. So it's very cool to see all of these electric cars and the quantity. I've never seen so many electric cars gathered in one place at one time. It really is an amazing experience. I forgot to mention that there's also the older Nissan Leaf, the Volkswagen e-Golf, there's the Hyundai Ioniq, new and old. There's also the Chevy Spark, which is cool to see, and some of these cars have been driven for many kilometers to get here to take part of this event. I've seen license plates from not just from Quebec, from Ontario as well. So very cool that so many people have gathered together try and beat this Guinness World Record. So thanks to everybody who's here. It's really cool. As you can see, the lineup of electric cars is just non-stop. It is an impressive sight, and it was an amazing thing to be a part of. I'm going to find out from the people who organized the event to see if we actually broke the record, but with the number of people registered and the hundreds of cars that we can see here, I don't see how we could have failed. The Guinness World Record for the longest driving lineup of pure electric cars is 402 or 400 cars. Well, that was the record. Today, I've got a confirmed number from the people counting at the arrival tent here. I heard 402 electric cars. So 402, and there are still hundreds of cars. And the last car in the lineup of electric cars is this little smart electric. And we still have all of these cars to count. Now, last count, I saw 460 electric cars in the line. Small correction, there was one more electric car way behind. It just added itself, so one more added to the list. The second Polestar that I've seen in this lineup. They're very rare, but it's cool that you've got one of them here, well, two of them here actually. And the line just keeps going. Last counted number, 512. I keep saying to myself that that's going to be the end of the video, but we are now at 620 cars in the lineup, and there are still a ton to go. That's it. This is the end. The last few cars are coming through, and we're going to get the official number for the Guinness World Record attempt of pure electric cars. Here it comes. And there it is. We're about to hear the number. And the number is... Est-ce que vous pourriez juste me dire le chiffre que vous avez, s'il vous plaît?
Photographe officiel. Le chiffre officiel va être de 736.
Oh, merci. That's it. 736 pure electric cars driven in the lineup, and we burst the record of 402. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun being here. Welcome to EV-olution Quickies. If you want to see an attempt at the